Hi everyone, my name is Anna and I am part of the Blue Thumb Volunteer Program, and my fellow OSU environmental graduate students and myself monitor Feather Creek here in Payne County, Oklahoma. We're just west of Stillwater, Oklahoma. Our creek runs from north to south and we monitor on the south side of the creek, and we are just going to take you through some of the steps that we go through in our monthly creekside monitoring. And if you'll follow me, I would like to introduce you to my teammates. Meet my team. Kima is holding our Blue Thumb data sheet, which we will use to take stream site assessments and we will subsequently use to do further testing off-site. Abu is holding a bag of reagents and a bag of goggles and gloves, both of which are essential in the monitoring process. And Josephus holds the Secchi disc and the dissolved oxygen test that we will do at the creek site. Now, follow me down to Feather Creek.
So our first step on the creek is to do the physical parameter test, and then we use the Blue Thumb data sheet. This is where we record all of our reading for both the physical and the quality analysis. So we check for the weather. Of course, today the weather here is fair sky, and then the wind speed. Of course, the wind is calm today. And then the wind direction today is moving from the north to the south, and then the stream stage is our base flow, and the stage qualifier is kind of stable, and we have a couple of fallen trees around, and we have trash, and then we have a lot of algae. So that is it today for our physical test, and then my colleague Josephus will take you through the quality test.
Okay, this is the Secchi disc. We use it to measure the transparency of the stream, and we look out for this point because number one, this point is the deepest part on the stream. At this point we are, and then it's slightly above the riffle, so you don't want to take it where you have a lot of disturbance in the stream, and so this point is the best place for us to do our water quality monitoring. And so you gently dip down the Secchi disc into the stream, and normally you want to make sure that the Secchi disc completely discard, and then you can take the reading, but this is kind of like a really good transparency water at this point, and so the reading is 2.2 meters. And then the next thing we do is to measure the air temperature, of which my colleague Anna just did, and then my role now is to measure the water temperature. And so you gently immerse this into the water and allow it to stay for about a minute, and then take the reading. So we now wait for that. So the reading is 26 degrees for the water temperature, and then following that we now collect the sample for the DO measurement. So this is the sampling bottle that we use for DO. So you gently take the sample for DO.
So the question that may come into your mind is, why are we monitoring the Feather Creek? Well, first of all, this creek is part of a watershed, which means it is receiving stuff from streams up and then transporting that stuff downstream into other water bodies. So it is really, really important that we know what is coming in and what is going out in terms of pollution of the creek. You know, lots of animals, plants, they depend on this creek, and so if it is polluted, it's going to create a problem for their health. And also humans are using the water bodies downstream into which this creek is transporting stuff. So if we know what is coming into the stream, we will be able to develop some early warning systems and inform management of any imminent pollution that may create problem to public health. So in short, that's the important reason why we come here every month to know what is in the creek, and we will use that information to do pollution management.
Well, there you have it. We hope you've enjoyed watching us take our creekside samples at Feather Creek. We will now go off-site to finish up the dissolved oxygen test and conduct the ammonia nitrogen, orthophosphate, pH, nitrate, nitrite, and chloride tests. We hope you've learned something, and thank you for joining us.